I'm on a 2002 Chevy Avalanche, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first, go on the driver's side down here, and there's this hood release lever that will pull all the way up. You should hear a pop sound. That's hood safety releasing. And if this is just completely loose with no tension, you might need to check behind this plastic to make sure the cables are attached properly. But now with that pulled, you should see the hood slightly loose now. And then down here towards the center, there's a lever here that will push and lift. Fortunately, these will hold the hood up for you ideally, but this is that lever right here. So as you pushed it this way, it should open up. So push in there, it should open up. Just double check nothing's bent or broken in here. There's no debris that needs cleaned up. If it's really sticking a lot, I'd recommend we use some WD-40 to loosen this so it doesn't stick quite so much. But that's what all that looks like. And then up here is what it was hooked onto. Let's make sure nothing's bent. And I double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it closes crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.